So at this point, what you have done is this. This guy is equal to this guy, right? So, and then you need to solve for this integral, and then you do see that this is the same as this. So I'm gonna rewrite this here. So now let's combine these two terms together, these two terms. So then you have 1/2 e to the 2x cosine 9x plus 9/4 e to the 2x sine of, this is sine of 9x. So this is going to be sine 9x equals, well, when you move this term to the other side, this becomes positive 81/4. And plus this guy, you get basically 85/4, right? Okay. Therefore, at the end, when you solve for this guy, you need to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 85/4, and then it looks to me that's what you should get as a answer. So I'm gonna continue. So therefore, this is equal to 4/85 times this whole thing, which is equal to 85 as a denominator, and multiply 4 distributes 4 into this term, you get 2e to the 2x cosine 9x plus and when you distribute this 4 here, 4 and 4 cancel, so you're left with 9e to the 2x sine 9x plus plus a c at the end. Okay, so this is equal to that. Alright, that's it.